The BMW i7 and Mercedes-Benz EQS class are the peak of electric vehicle luxury. BMW and Mercedes have both entered the premium electric car market, with these vehicles serving as their flagship offers. If you're looking for a luxury EV with exceptional comfort and technology, go no further than these vehicles. To help you determine which one is ideal for you, here's a quick comparison of some major similarities and differences between the i7 and the EQS, including cost, range, and features.
Welcome to Life in Luxury. We provide you useful information that it will help you to live the luxury. If you are new here, welcome, and consider subscribing.
Price. For the 2023 model year, the BMW i7 is presently available in only one trim level, the xDrive 60. The i7 starts at $120,295 and is currently ineligible for the $7,500 federal tax credit under the new Inflation Reduction Act criteria. Mercedes sells the EQS as a sedan and an SUV, but only the SUV qualifies for the tax credit because it is assembled in the United States. We will concentrate on the sedan version because the SUV has not yet been released and the i7 is only available in sedan form. The EQS class is available in 3 trim levels, with the EQS 450 Plus beginning at $105,450. The EQS 450 Plus with all-wheel drive starts at $108,450, while the AWD-only EQS 580 starts at $127,000. Performance. The BMW i7 has a dual-motor powertrain with 536 horsepower and 549 lb-ft of torque. The range is believed to be 318 miles. The i7 also has regenerative braking and 3 years of free 30-minute fast-charging sessions. The standard EQS is powered by a single 329 horsepower electric motor producing 417 lb-ft of torque. The AWD 450 Plus has 355 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, while the top-of-the-line 580 has 516 horsepower and 631 lb-ft of torque. The EQS class range reduces as performance increases, with estimates of 350, 340, and 300 miles, respectively. The i7 and also the EQS class are nearly identical in size, with the i7 having a 1-inch larger wheelbase and weighing only 29 pounds more than the EQS 580. The BMW 17.7 cubic feet of overall cargo space is adequate for its class, but it pales in compared to the Mercedes 63 cubic feet, owing to the latter's liftback configuration. Interior. Both models have quite amazing interiors, but their looks are considerably different. The i7 was designed alongside the hybrid-powered 7 Series, therefore the interiors are similar. The EQS class is a separate Mercedes model, and its interior design is inspired by ultra-futuristic electric car characteristics. Because of its 7 Series heritage, the i7, while still quite contemporary on the inside, appeals more to conventional luxury vehicle buyers. Both designs provide luxury materials and features, with the i7 emphasizing comfort and the EQS emphasizing technology. Both cars' main screens are 12.3 inches, while the Mercedes dash can be upgraded to a 56-inch hyperscreen. The EQS comes included with augmented reality navigation, 6 USB ports, speech recognition, and a 15-speaker Burmeister sound system. A rear wireless charging pad, a rear tablet, and a fingerprint scanner are available as options. The cabin of the i7 is luxurious and wonderfully comfy. Standard features include a full-color head-up display, heated steering wheel, ventilated front and back seats, crystalline accents, and a Hans Zimmer-inspired sound system. Full merino leather, massaging seats, and the executive package, which includes power doors, crystal headlights, enhanced air suspension, and even a 31.3-inch cinema screen for back passengers, are available as options. Which is better? The BMW i7 and Mercedes-Benz EQS class are excellent examples of what EVs can do today. The premium EV segment is still in its early stages, but both vehicles are strong challengers. Having said that, we believe the EQS is a better buy for more individuals due to its larger model lineup and liftback functionality. However, if luxury is your priority, the i7 is superior. Although the EQS has a gorgeous interior, the i7, and the 7 series from which it is developed, is the best option if you want to be chauffeured or glide opulently to your destination. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And here are the video we handpicked for you to watch next. Life in Luxury, your personal mentor.